The all-new 2025 Dodge Durango is here, and it's bigger, bolder, and more powerful than ever. Dodge has taken everything that made the Durango a fan favorite and pushed it to the next level. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement on wheels. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the aggressive design grabs your attention. The front fascia is sharper, with a wider grille and menacing LED headlights that give it an unmistakable road presence. Dodge has fine-tuned every angle for aerodynamics while keeping the muscular stance that makes the Durango stand out in a crowded SUV market. Under the hood, Dodge offers multiple powertrains, catering to every type of driver. The base models come with an improved 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, delivering more efficiency without compromising performance. But for those who crave raw power, the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 is back, providing that signature Dodge muscle. And for the true adrenaline junkies, Dodge has unleashed the supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat V8, pushing out an earth-shaking 710 horsepower. This isn't just an SUV, it's a muscle car disguised as a family hauler. Step inside, and the 2025 Durango welcomes you with a completely redesigned interior, premium materials, a massive touchscreen infotainment system, and a driver-focused cockpit make it feel like a luxury performance SUV. The Uconnect 5 system is faster and more intuitive, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with the high-end Harman Kardon sound system that turns every drive into a concert experience. Dodge has also upgraded the seating with available leather and suede combinations, providing both comfort and sportiness. Technology is at the forefront, with advanced driver assistance features making the 2025 Durango safer than ever. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system ensure confidence behind the wheel. And for those who use the Durango for towing, an improved trailer assist system makes hauling heavy loads effortless. Performance is where the Durango truly shines. Dodge has reworked the suspension, enhancing ride quality while maintaining the aggressive handling the Durango is known for. The available all-wheel drive system provides superior traction, whether you're launching from a stoplight or tackling rough terrain. And with multiple drive modes, including track, sport, and tow, the Durango adapts to every driving situation with ease. For 2025, Dodge has introduced new trim levels and customization options. The R, T and SRT models come with unique styling elements, sportier exhaust notes, and enhanced braking systems. And for those who want the ultimate performance package, the SRT Hellcat Red Eye Edition takes things to another level, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the planet. Fuel efficiency has also been improved, thanks to updated engine tuning and a more aerodynamic body. While the V8 models still offer that signature growl, cylinder deactivation technology helps save fuel when cruising. And for the first time, Dodge is rumored to be exploring hybrid and electrified options for future Durango models, keeping up with the industry's push towards sustainability without sacrificing performance. The 2025 Dodge Durango isn't just a refresh, it's a revolution in the SUV world. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly vehicle with muscle car DNA or high-performance SUV that dominates the streets, the new Durango delivers. Dodge has once again proven that practicality and power can go hand in hand, making this SUV one of the most exciting releases of the year.